Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 19. In ancient Egypt, the enigmatic Pharaoh Smenkhkare remains a historical puzzle, ruling briefly around 1335 to 1323 BC. Possibly as Akhenaten's co-regent or successor, Smenkhkare's identity is shrouded in mystery. Some believe Smenkhkare might have been female, possibly Nefertiti under a new guise. This pharaoh married Akhenaten's daughter, Meritop, adding to the intrigue. Smenkhkare continued Akhenaten's monotheistic worship of Aten, but showed signs of returning to traditional polytheism. Mysteriously vanishing from history, Smenkhkare's tomb and true identity remain subjects of debate and fascination. An intriguing chapter in Egyptian history, Smenkhkare's story blends mystery with the complexities of ancient royal dynamics.